Hi friends, I am getting error when I try to complete the payment in Flipkart. So this is the error message. Oops, something went wrong. Please try after some time. So in this video I will show you how to fix this error. Okay, so just go back to cart. In the cart, if you have added any item toys, please remove that item. The count should be 1. Then tap on place order, then select delivery address, then tap on continue. So here we can see the cards. Let me select ICICI Bank credit card. Then tap on continue. See, now I am not getting that error. So in my case, in the cart I have added 2 Asirvad attas. I removed 1 atta. Then I kept count 1. After that I could able to complete the payment. So this way we can fix this error. Oops, something went wrong. Please try after some time. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel.